the counting of votes will take place on November 14th. Back to you.
Stay with me, Anand. I'll come back to you. Now, viewers, the Deputy Chairperson of Rajya Sabha, Harivansh Narayan Singh, has given a statement stating that after Bihar got separated from Jharkhand, it was left with three things: Alu, Balu and Lalu. He further stated, and I quote, Alu meant that there was not much agricultural production, and Balu meant that it did not have any economic resources like minerals, and Lalu was a symbol of misrule. Listen in.
जब झारखंड अलग हुआ तो नारे लगते थे उन दिनों नवीन जी झारखंड में कि बिहार के पास क्या बचा, आलू, बालू और लालू। आलू का मतलब होता था कि एग्रीकल्चर प्रोड्यूस का बचा, जो बहुत अधिक उत्पादन उस वक्त नहीं होता था। बालू यानी कुछ अब उसके पास जो कहा था इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्सेज जो सारे थे, मिनरल्स जो थे, वो तो चले गए झारखंड में, और जितना इंडस्ट्रियलाइजेशन बिहार के नाम पर हुआ था वो तो झारखंड में चला गया, बिहार के पास कुछ नहीं। और लालू जी प्रतीक थे कुशासन के, यानी एबडक्शन, अपहरण से लेकर के और जितने लॉलेसनेस थी, और आर्थिक विकास के पैमाने पर देखिएगा सबसे नीचे बने रहने को बिहार अभिशप्त था।
Anand, very interesting statement coming from Harivansh Narayan Singh. What more can you tell us?
Yeah, Vaishali, look, the way in which Harivansh Narayan Singh has made this statement, he has clearly mentioned that just after Bihar was separated and Jharkhand was also created, then there was a very popular slogan in Jharkhand that people were heard speaking at that point of time, that what Bihar is left with, that is Alu, means there were no more agricultural sector products in the states, and for Balu, they used to say that the Bihar does not have enough minerals so that it can back its economy. And similarly, he also jibed Lalu Prasad Yadav, which meant that when people used to say Lalu, then they used to highlight the kind of misrule and misgovernance in the state, especially the fodder scam at that point of time. So clearly, this is a sharp jibe coming from Harivansh Narayan Singh, who is also JDU leader, the Janata Dal United leader, the ruling coalition partner in NDA. So clearly, this is how Harivansh Narayan Singh has slammed and hit back at the Mahagathbandhan camp, and especially the Rashtriya Janata Dal founder and patriarch, whose 15-year party rule was termed and coined as Jangal Raj in Bihar over the issue of law and order. Back to you.
Thanks, Anand, for joining me with all those details. Now, during her first state visit to India,